Have you filled that form in?
Yep.
Good man. Is it signed?
Yeah.
No, come on, you got to sign it.
Predicted.
Predicted, yeah, that's the most important
500 brake horsepower.
bit. 500 brake horsepower. You can talk me through what mods it's got?
It's got 3-inch Tegiwa exhaust.
Yep.
HKS intake.
Yep.
Honda Flash Pro.
Okay.
19-inch rage alloys with Brembo brakes and a GT kit on there.
Has it got a manifold on it?
It's got a decap, but I'm not sure it's 4-to-1.
Okay. Has it got an inlet manifold? I suppose we'll have a look on the dyno.
That's all stock.
Okay, well let's see what she makes. I'll take your form off.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves real fast. You also have to look around once in a while if you miss it.
So there's the results for the FN2. 209 brake. Nice red one.